Morning, guys. Morning. New week, new opportunities. Happy Monday. How's everyone doing here? Happy Monday. Morning, morning. Welcome. Welcome to another stream.
It. And then below that, maybe down into 355-ish, somewhere in there as a first stop before we get to 320, right? ES is kind of watch ES around the 662, kind of holding that area there, 660, 662. Below that, I'd probably be looking at down into the, it's kind of tight there too, 55s. 53, 55 area. And then I think you're down into 45. So that's kind of what I have on ES too.
Morning, morning.
The open gives us here. Good morning, good morning.
Morning. Good morning. Good luck, guys.
Good luck.
Let's get it. Be patient. Wait for your setup.
Ooh, we already have Tesla going back down to 400? Oh no.
Is it really?
No. I think it's something wrong with my
No.
alerts.
No, I was like, no. I mean, it is selling a little bit, but it was at like 427 this morning. I was like 400 already. Jeez, Louise.
Yeah.
Mean sell off. Okay.
That was my alert because I was waiting for a break above 400.
Okay. Yeah, and it happened. Yeah,
Yeah,
it happened after
overnight.
hours, so you didn't get the alert. Now it's yep. Okay. All right. Well, a little push right off the open here.
The market is eager to go. And we have FOMC on Wednesday.
Yep.
It's gonna be fun. I used to hate FOMC days. Now I love it because I pass a bunch of evals.
It's a good day to YOLO some evals. You get plenty of movement, right? So as long as you pick the right direction, it's very easy to pass them.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if TOS's QQQ is doing something weird, but this doesn't make sense. Like QQQ is down to essentially the open price, which it's not how that should
No,
work.
I don't think that's happening right now.
Yeah, I think TOS is messed up. Okay, not a problem. I don't really watch Q. I'll keep an eye on NQ instead. I won't watch QQQ.
I have a play that you guys might like because it's with shares. It's not NQ and ES, but I know a few of you play with shares, and that's Snapchat. I think it can be like
Snapchat.
Yeah. Yeah, I never play Snap, but look at the chart on the daily.
I might have to check that out. Just out of curiosity. Still pushing.
Yeah, I'm buying Snapchat shares.
My buddy used to play earnings plays all the time for Snap.
I mean, I haven't looked at Snap since COVID. Like, it's been a while. That was one of those ones that was fun to play during COVID.
Yeah.
Then again, just about everything was fun to play during COVID, so. Interested to see if we get like a 662 pullback on ES. We created just a small 2-minute fair value gap between 30 and 22 on NQ. Just pulled into it right now. What do we do there? I prefer NQ come back down to 400 again. That's good. We're into that gap. That was good.
The market's very strong.
Yeah, it loves this. Wants to go. Again, I can't do any other pullback. And I needed more than that. That wasn't enough. 5-minute here.
I need pullbacks.
Yeah, I'm at the same thing ADR right now. I'm just sitting here because I'm not gonna get in along here, right? I'm not gonna just jump in up here. So I gotta wait for a pullback. And I don't want to short this. So I'm not doing that either. Both SPY and QQQ are creeping up into 70 plus RSI on the 1, 3, and 5. So I will keep that in mind too. Being patient.
Yeah, so we have Apple holding pretty good. Nvidia trying to hold, but it's inside a gap that it have below. If cannot hold the VWAP, most likely we see Nvidia going lower today. Amazon holding support and Microsoft right at resistance.
Bro, I wouldn't blame you. This whole week could be weird.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wouldn't blame you if you decide that you want to not touch the findings right now. Yeah, yeah, Sasha thought, yeah, the whole week. The whole week could be odd. I have my PC on mute today, so no one's gonna hear the random order placed. Don't worry. Won't scream in your ear. Man. Okay. Keep stepping up.
I took that 5-minute orb break.
Oh, nice. Wait for our pullback here, if it ever comes. Nvidia's pretty much sideways since the open. Amazon's holding on to the 9-day.
There's one, like this Nvidia hold is very important. 175.50. If you can hold that, I can see it going higher to 178. If you cannot hold that, I can see it going down and feel the gap below.
I mean, you get the 50 and the 20 all here for the EMA on Nvidia. 50-day, 20-day, all here at 175. 174 and a half, 175, 175.2, all in that area. So
Okay, so the Q is very strong. Yes, trying to pull back. I like this pullback on ES. If we can have ES to 604, that would be awesome. 604, 603.
oh, you're on the older cons, huh? Okay. So it's gonna be a little confusing for you and I, ADR. We're on
Oh,
different cons.
but my trading view
Yeah,
should,
yeah,
like, let me see. I have that trading view that it should go to the next contract. Maybe when is the last day for the contracts?
oh, not for a little bit.
Okay, so yeah.
But you're gonna want to switch before the last day. The volume is gonna start switching long before that, right?
Yeah,
Before the last
like
day.
on Trade of
You
Eight,
probably
I'm already
still,
switched. It's the chart only
yeah,
on Trading View.
yeah. The ES, I mean, TOS is already switched over. I switched over because I chart a lot on TOS, so it just made
Mm-hmm.
sense for me. But yeah, you can. I honestly think the September cons have more volume right now. Probably at least for maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but I would assume by Wednesday we will have swapped.
Yeah,
Volume
so
will flip
when I
between
opened
the
TradingView
cons.
today, it asked me if I wanted to switch the RTY and the micros, but didn't ask me to
Okay, so
switch
that's
on
probably,
ES and NQ. So I guess still we have more volume on the old ones, on these
yep,
ones. Yeah.
yeah, most likely. I'm watching back into, I mean, 420-ish, maybe 430, probably more like 420.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for too. The 50% of that leg up,
Yeah, yep,
and it's got a 5-minute FEG midline in there. So
yep. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Maybe we're looking for too much for a pullback. Maybe that's gonna be the problem today.
I don't think so.
Pullback could be
I think it
tiny.
will be nice for a pullback to previous day high on NQ
Mm-hmm. Yep.
and
Yeah.
ES too.
You're taking it down to, yeah. I mean, I would love to see 62, 60, 62 on EF, the new cons, and I'd love to see 400 on NQ new cons, but I don't. We'll have to see if we can get back there. Right now, it's just been a strong push. We're starting to kind of stall a little here.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
As I say, that water just rep. Yep, 660 special 662. I love that. We can get there.
Don't be too quiet. It's scary. Nothing is happening.
Yeah. So I mean, yes is looking a little stronger now. It's looking like it's
Mm-hmm.
trying to get over that high there.
And then when I'm quiet and looking around, it's just because I'm looking, I'm going through charts and looking for plays.
the one thing I love about futures is there's only two charts I'm looking at, right?
Yeah.
It's very simple. I'm not bouncing between charts. I'm looking at two things,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. But that also can be a little bit more boring, for sure.
Whoa, okay. Do we have data today?
I can check, but I don't know.
If we don't get pullbacks, I don't think I'm gonna trade futures, to be honest. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I did have a very good weekend.
No, we had nothing today. ADR.
Huh?
We have nothing today
Yeah.
for news. That is.
Okay. I'm up almost 35K with a challenge. No, so far no red days, but this week is gonna be tricky. I don't know if I want to touch those accounts this week. The max drawdown is the same as on PAs. Funded account is the same as your evals. Okay. Crazy strong market. So we're having a gap and go day today. Gap and go days are not my days. If I try, most of the time when I try to trade gap and go days, I'm red. Even though I know how to trade them, I'm most of 90% of the time I'm red.
Maybe I mean at this point maybe 24,500. Like just because it's a psych level, right? It's going to be
Mm-hmm.
the big number.
Yeah.
Watch that. I mean outside of that, it's nothing I can do here, right? There's no entry.
Yes. Red Sox.
Nice and quiet today.
Ay, ay, ay. Tech is very interesting right now. We have Apple going lower, Microsoft looking pretty strong, Nvidia nice hold, and Amazon looking weak. It's rejecting resistance. No coffee today? Yes, I have my coffee here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Just sitting here.
Oh,
Well, tell me that was just like we're doing little 10-point pullbacks to just run another
mm-hmm.
25, 30 points every
Looks
time.
like it. Yeah, if we keep doing this, I'm not even gonna look at the chart. I'm not trading this if we
Yeah,
don't
it's
have
it's
like a clean pullback.
I guess you could try 65 if you want to get crazy, but I mean, I'm not seeing it here.
The risk to reward to enter here is no bueno.
Yeah, it's terrible. Yeah, it's not good. Okay, over 500 now. All right. Yeah. This is tough, everybody. It's not easy. You're getting short, you're getting in front of a train, you're getting long, the RR is terrible, so it's not easy to do anything right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna try to short this.
No.
Market's too strong for that. Need to be like patient and wait for proper pullbacks or just not trade.
Yep. Yep. Exactly. In the meantime, I'm gonna sit here and work on an indicator for TOS while this just does this.
Okay.
So it now broke 500 there, the 24,500. So
Oops.
maybe 90 if you want to get crazy.
Are we gonna have one of these mornings like last week that we didn't do anything until the afternoon?
Um, it's starting to possibly feel like that.
Yeah, it's for the last 3 or 4 Mondays.
Up 7K on the 250 cat. Oh, you YOLO the upside to be up 7K today so far with evals. I never have good luck on big evals like the 250, 300K. I see people using the 150K evals. It take me forever to pass those one, and I blew up a lot of the accounts. Uh, for me, the best ones are the 50Ks. But I do understand why some people that trade that it has a Discord or trades live on YouTube use the bigger ones because you could it's more fun if you can show bigger P&L. Like with the 150, 250, 300K, people trade with 20 contracts or 10 contracts. Oh, you got it for 12 bucks? Yeah, that's a very good deal. Okay, nice pullback here on ES.
We can hold at 490-ish here. And Q. It's the first kind of little topping we saw that kind of hung out.
I need a vacation from September already. Mm, Nothing so far for me on futures, but Snapchat is moving really nice.
Kind of held at 90, sort of.
IWM. Let's see what the Russell is doing. I don't really like this chart, to be honest. It's too choppy. At least we have a clear trend on ES and NQ, but the Russell is very choppy. Mm. Hey, give me some pullback. Okay. Yeah, I know, right? Like there is like a trendy, but it's not giving you like good entries are frustrating.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey,
Good morning, good morning.
morning. Not
Good
much,
morning.
nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah, not a whole lot happening here. Amped. Been pretty quiet.
Yeah, we're waiting for good pullbacks.
yeah. I was about to say, it looks like it could just be a traditional trend day. I do see 900 contracts at 235 for NQ at least.
Okay. Nvidia's pulling back, it's inside the gap. If it loses today's low, it's gonna go for the gap. Or at least 50% of the gap.
And those contracts were pulled.
Since NQ is quiet, just watching gold. 3688 looks like a good level. It's where it hit that retest and that made that leg up. You got some previous highs in that zone too.
Yeah, I don't think I'm buying anything above the opening range high for me today at least. Won't be selling either.
My thesis on Microsoft and Apple. Microsoft 512 and it's to hold 512 strongly. Apple 235. Okay. I like this pullback here. Market go boom boom. I don't know.
So still being patient, everybody. I'm still waiting here.
This kind of looks like a nice flag on NQ, but I don't like how ES is looking.
I think we do something here.
Okay, so we have a SPY trying to hold the VWAP. The Q is still very far from the VWAP. I'm late. This is very choppy, slow price action. Yes, looks pretty choppy. NQ has a nice uptrend. Yeah, NQ kind of looks like a bull flag. Yes, it holds here also. It has a little support here, where it is right now. Yeah, my levels on Trade08 are, yeah, they're off because I'm sorry, not Trade08, TradingView, because TradingView hasn't like moved to the new contracts, but it's just numbers. For me, the levels are the same. It's just numbers, different numbers.
Just slowly coming
Yeah,
down. Slowly coming down.
but nothing is really
Very,
moving.
very slow.
I kind of like this consolidation here on ES.
A buddy of mine just shorted 237. It's kind of crazy in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't think this is for a
Where?
short, but
230,
who knows?
237?
Yeah.
I was so
Yeah,
close to
I
enter
don't know about
ES
shorting
here
right
at
here.
614.
Yeah.
We get over 288, 290. This could be a potential long for me.
That was a nice
Push
bounce.
back
Where
up,
at?
but about 6 points up, amped. I'm on the Z's, not on the U's, just FYI.
Okay.
For the cons. So I was saying earlier that
I
I
might be
use
interested in seeing how shallow of a pullback this is. If we get to the prior 1 minute high, that'd be different for me than you, but the structure would be the same. The prior 1 minute high before the expansion, at least for me at 226 to 7, I might be interested in trying along there.
I think that's probably 66-ish for me.
Ooh, that
How
was
many
a
points down
beautiful
is that for you,
bounce.
give or take?
It's the 940 high.
Yes. Yep. Okay. So yeah, it's 66, 68 for me, something like that. Okay.
Click B80K. I did click there. Still have the old contracts. Man, I missed that bounce on ES. I'm watching this little level here on NQ.
If we hold this, this will be interesting if we hold right here. Yes, want to do.
Yeah, I didn't get in because that was pretty quick of a reaction for me.
Mm-hmm.
There's
I
a good
missed
bounce
that
off
entry.
VWAP, but now we're too high. I would like if we can get a pullback, another pullback down to like 32, I might try.
That was perfect on ES.
I'd like to see a push up to 500 if right here at this point. That was the pullback I wanted. So I took a long at 82. And I want to see it back up to I want to see up to 499 is what I'll take it off. Keep going. Give me a little more. Might start
Dang.
trailing a little bit here. Back to break even for me. The stop
Yeah,
that
my
is.
buddy just
I
got stopped, which is insane. I have no idea why he shorted that.
That's a wild shot. I may even move it over 500. I think we can go more. I think this could get going up into
Yeah, I
508.
think so
I'm
too.
I'm
I
gonna
would just
put
trail it.
I'm trailing now. I got my trail now up to 90. That's 10 points in the profit, right? So that's good. 8 points in the profit, give or take. I'm now gonna maybe give it another minute here because I think that we can get to the highs.
Where's your entry?
My entry was at 83.
How far off is it from the recent low?
Oh, okay, so the most recent 2-minute candle, it's at the bottom of the most recent 2-minute candle. I don't know how to explain that other than that.
Okay,
I
I
can.
see. Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Oh, don't do that now. Oh, we had more juice. Oh, okay. Give me a little more. Don't want you to come down any more than that. That was essentially 15 points in the money.
That was a nice move. I missed that trade on
Mm-hmm.
on
That was good.
ES. That was a perfect hold.
So let me do this. Okay, it's gonna get more room, I think. Here's I'm gonna do a quick show of. No, Jackie. I just did this. The most basic of all basic entries. We faked pulling out below, came back above, broke over the trend line, and at that point, I took it. It couldn't have been more simple. For me, like it was a shot, right? And I knew breaking back down below, I only needed like 10 points of stop of wiggle room, so it was easy for me to take that. Risk reward was there, knowing that we could get back to 508, which is a 30-point move.
Look at that move on ES. Damn. I missed that trade. Ooh.
New 30-minute candle opening right there.
Ooh.
Wow. Whoa.
Well,
Okay,
that
well,
just
What was that?
that's
wiped.
I only made $60 because of my moving my stop, so that's unfortunate. Wow. Okay.
What
Okay.
the hell?
Let's go.
Well,
That's what we want. Some
that's
volatility.
well, probably not when I'm in the trade, and maybe after, like that would have been great, but that's okay. Still
Okay,
a
well that
small win, but that was wild.
that just popped a couple wagons. That sucked.
All
What
right, so the IB is set.
Game over.
I was in profit until I wasn't.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my
that
god,
was
what
brutal,
was
dude.
that? Okay.
Jeez Louise,
Oh,
I mean, that was dirty.
well, that just so I hit DLL on my alphas, and
Oh.
I got caught in I took a gold short earlier pre-market, which I've been super good about not trading pre-market. So I was already a little red, and so I just lost the Lucid account on that.
Oh, is that Martini talking? What's up, dude?
So, dude,
Nice to see you on here.
yeah, I was trying to short. Let's see, I'm trying to find where it was. I think it's around 7 or like 8. Oh no, I think it was here like 8:30, 8:15. I was shorting. I took gold short like 680, something like that. Took a little loss on her.
We have a bunch of people on voice today. Welcome everyone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think there's
Yeah,
5
so
of
I'm
us now,
still
right?
not in a trade. I wanted to enter around 226 to 7. That bounce happened too quick for me. Now I'm not going to short, and we're too high for long. The next play for me would be see how we react with the initial balance, which is set with the IB high at 265 for me. I'm not sure what it is on the Z contract.
Okay. Back to doing nothing. I'll keep working on my TOS script while I wait. Something to happen. Yeah, like that.
If the 1030 candle acts as like a lower high and we sort of form like this two-legged pullback down back towards opening range high to opening range mid for the 5 minute, I'd be interested in that type of long as well.
Okay.
Kinda wanna see NQ going a little bit lower to my support. Being short at 248. I feel going short here, like on today, is very tricky. If anything, we have seen like how the market pulls back, but immediately tries to go higher. Can you pull back? Yes, but I'll be
Yeah,
careful
I
with going
got.
short.
I mean, I made a couple wins on shorts, but yeah, I was definitely fighting early on, and I don't know what the hell I was doing. I think the contract, like I'm kind of looking, I got the new ones and then I got the old ones up side by side because some of the Project X you can't roll to the new contract yet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I feel like that's kind of messing with my head. So I'm trying to like, I don't know. I was thinking that we were kind of getting a rollover on the 200s earlier, and that's where I got caught in.
Next thing you know, you're gonna post 3 payouts tonight.
That's how that works, right? Yeah, I was talking. I was
Um,
talking last week. He loses one account to take payout in 15. It's like, okay, I mean, small trade off, I guess. Right? Like, all
no,
right.
no, no, my Lucid's gone.
uh,
My alphas are on DLL. Those are kind of, I brought those back somewhat, but after that weird little 1030 candle there, I got like $700 in them. So I'm good. I think I'm probably done for today. I was just working on like a trade day account, but I don't think today is my day.
I don't think today is
Yeah,
anyone's
I might
day.
treat today as like a yeah, I think I might. I had a small scalp earlier off of the opening range high, and then it with contract roll, and then it's a new week. We're at all-time highs. For me, I feel like letting Monday form some new structure, and then use today's structure to trade tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, I've noticed I'm not the best on Mondays. Like I'm not at my best on Mondays. I just started off today red to begin with in my head. I went to the gym, I pulled in, I realized I didn't have my headphones, and I was like, God
Ooh,
dang it. So I just
yeah.
went straight home.
Getting the day started on the wrong foot like that, it's never great.
You know, could have just stopped everything right there.
I think the indicator's good enough. That should work for now. Multitasking.
I'm waiting for NQ to either break out here or a pullback hold to play a bounce. It's gonna be either this or this. Oh, China's gonna talk about trade stuff today at 11. That's in 19 minutes. Nothing is moving. Tech is not doing anything. Apple is not doing anything. It's holding but not doing much. Same thing with Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia. Apple needs to break the VWAP.
I go for that high. What we're
Okay.
gonna do now? After you yanked me out of that play, unbelievable.
Mhm. What was that 10:30? Was there anything like announced, or was that just a weird ass 30-minute
I didn't.
candle?
I didn't see anything. I saw nothing pop up.
I think it just might be new 30-minute candle volatility type of thing. You know,
Yeah.
Were you trading MNQ or NQ, LT?
NQ.
Because that candle was way more drastic on MNQ.
Really? I didn't click over to
Yeah,
look at it,
but
but I noticed that a few
almost.
weeks ago. There was like it was like a 60 or 70 point MNQ candle that I don't remember if it just like ripped my stop loss or what, but it was like nothing on NQ.
I was. It was. I think it was like a month and a half ago. I was trying to revive an XFA that was near death, and I went in with um 10 micros instead of 1 mini to see if I could revive it. And on the news, the MNQ went down 30 more points than NQ did.
What?
Yeah.
So it took me out. If I was in NQ, it would have gone straight up. I would have made a killing. But yeah, it does. And there are times it's the other way around too. So you see both ways for sure. Yeah, one of those days. just Epic and Jackie, just weird. Like, I mean, I get, yeah, okay, he was talking about like the exact timing of that candle being 10:30, and exactly when it opened, that's when it dipped down. Felt more like that was more of a volumetric new candle than someone speaking, because it wasn't as. I mean, it could have been, right? I'm not saying it wasn't, but like I would have thought that would have been a little more random than the exact open of the 30-minute candle.
Kind of weird is the volume is already sort of equalized across both contracts, which
Hmm.
usually that doesn't happen until a day or two after.
Why is ES so strong today? What's moving?
Oh, Raj, you're looking on the old cons, huh? Was that the old con or the new con? That's the old
One thing
con?
I can really see is Tesla, Google, and Oracle. Tesla's up almost 6%.
I think I'm on the older con because Top Step X
Ye-
hasn't switched me over
Yeah,
yet.
what I find interesting though, right, is that I don't have that drastic of a move on the new con for MNQ. Not even close. Like my MNQ on the new con is not that crazy. In fact, kind of similar. Maybe a couple points, but definitely not that much. You're showing like, geez. Yeah, I mean, that's quite a difference there.
Yeah, I might call it a day. I mean, we're low volume. It's a Monday. We don't have any news. It's rollover.
Yeah, it's tough. This is tough. Not
Yeah.
a lot to do here.
I'm waiting for a pullback here on NQ. Tesla? Yeah. But after such a big gap up on Tesla, I will wait for a pullback to 400, Friday high. That will be my entry for Tesla. I don't think that's gonna happen today, but who knows?
Oh God. I need more coffee to keep myself awake watching this. Sheesh.
Jump in short with me, see what happens.
Ooh, no.
Um, um, I'm gonna probably pass on that ever trade, but I do wish you luck. Honestly, at this point, anything can work, right? This is
Yeah.
we're just kind of sitting between really 500 and 480, right? So like, who knows?
Yeah, my gut said we could hit 220 before we keep on going up, so I took a very small position playing with profits
Yeah, I'm
to
waiting
go
for
for that.
220.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's a good zone.
220, 225, around there.
It's the top of the 5-minute opening range as well, which is usually pretty good. My thinking was that 5-minute rejection candle there came off of that 262 whatever zone there. The third time, so third time's a charm, right?
Yeah. But you
I like that.
entered near 260 or on these candlesticks, like
My
250?
actual entry is 254.75, but I already scaled one out.
Are you Canadian?
Me, yeah.
Ah, yeah, I could hear the accent. Yes, just keeps going.
ES is being pushed up by mostly communications and utilities.
Okay.
I don't really know what communications is. I know Meta's in there, but I don't know what else.
Wouldn't like AT&T? Is that?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
How many Canadians we have here?
Right now it looks like 3. Eagle, Evertrade, Roz.
Me. I wasn't born there though.
Well, Regis, another one. Well, there's a few of us. Few of us. I'm not one of you. I'm sorry. There's a few of you. I feel like that's mean to say it
Yeah,
like that, but
you
that
better watch him now. There's a lot of us.
I know. I know. I'm getting worried. You know. I don't need no mutiny. Dang. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I know my
That's great
boy
though.
Eric is Canadian too. He lives like an hour from me.
Nice.
Damn. That's awesome though. I like seeing that much diversity. It's cool. Anybody here not in the US? In Canada?
Yeah, I'm in
North America, I guess?
Germany.
Oh well.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Currently.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't count, Amped. You're
Right, yeah. It's different. It's different. I mean, currently, I guess you are currently, I'm gonna use air quotes, living there, but like anybody like living in a different country. Yeah, yeah. Food was funny. Always gets me.
It looks like we're making a bull flag on NQ. Can you just pull back
Evertrade, what's
before breaking out?
it doesn't want to play nice today.
All right, then I'm gonna get off. Nothing's happening. I'll come back tomorrow.
Sounds
See
good.
you
Later,
guys.
bud.
See ya.
See ya.
We'll see you, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm still hanging out for a little bit. We'll see what happens here.
You
Yeah,
know we're coiling up, so when something does happen, it should be good, but just when, right?
That's the thing. That's exactly the thing. Evertrade, just when? When is it going to happen? Will I be here for this? Is the other question. Yeah, that's what I want to see, Roz. I want to see it just actually explode out of this, but like, I don't have the confidence to just get into play right now. Could just be a nasty fake out coming back down.
I mean, you know, there's a lot of stops below that could easily be run. It's another reason why I like 220. You could flush that 15-minute low.
I mean, honestly, there's going to be plenty of stops below and above at this point. I think we've now chilled between on the new cons 508 and really this 470, 480 for a while. I think that you can have stuff both sides. So if we pop either direction, we could get a little extra movement.
Yeah. What I meant is there's stops below to grab liquidity to go up.
Yes, fully agree.
I'm
Evertrade, yes,
not,
absolutely.
like, we could grab liquidity to go down, but I don't lean towards that.
Got it. I think we need a little more liquidity below to get some momentum back up. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I took a few snap shares. Thanks for that, ADR.
No problem. Happy to help. At least we have a little bit of action there.
I've been buying a bunch of shares last week and waiting for this to happen.
I don't like Snap for a long-term hold, but I do like it for like maybe for a few months, like a month and a half, 2 months.
Yeah, I hear that. Yeah.
She's saying date Snap, don't marry it.
Yeah, exactly.
Keep it casual.
Yeah. Do a
I mean,
Miami thing
this
or New
market,
York thing.
There's a lot of volume on that candle. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Yep, that was it. Okay.
Should I take this reaction here? 260
Now,
reaction again?
so in here, I'm in the same. The second it popped, I almost wanted to short.
yeah, that was a weak pop. I hear you.
I don't know.
Yep. The second it popped, I was like, oh, okay, hold on.
Wouldn't be the worst just to take a micro, although now it's turning back up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nope. I hate this. This ain't
Like
the thing.
usually the liquidity flushes are pretty fast and strong most of the
Yes.
time.
Yep.
But it's looking like it across all the charts I'm looking at.
That may have been the pull they needed to get a little more liquidity there. Well, someone's doing something. I hear that voice in the background.
I added on another one.
Yeah, I can see that. This is interesting. Like that was a very interesting little pop up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I've done it once or twice now, but I'm kind of just adding on and taking off, so I just pull my average price up higher. in case it fails, just to lower my potential loss.
Yep.
I'm gonna wait a little bit because that candle still has almost 3 minutes to close. So I like to wait until we have like at least 1 minute or a few seconds. Yes, keeps going higher, but the candlesticks are not too strong.
On my charts, ES and NQ are mostly in sync now.
The problem that I have right now is like Apple is above the VWAP and holding it as support. Microsoft is holding the 512 previous resistance, now acting as support. And Amazon is also looking strong, very strong. Nvidia is the only one that is not doing much.
Yeah, Nvidia's kind of been straight sideways. Nvidia's sitting between like that, the 58-20 day and the VWAP now. It's kind of hanging out there. Amazon looks very good though. As you said, ADR, Amazon looks great.
Not loving this so far. It's too strong.
Yeah, this is looking like it wants to keep going up.
Yeah.
Hard for me to look at anything today and think short now at this point. I mean, at some point it'll come, I'm sure. But like I wouldn't want to be chasing it.
At the same time, I'm not buying up here either, so.
No, definitely not. No chance. And let's be I'll be clear. This can work. Shorts, longs, everything can work, but like the edge isn't there. The risk to the RR is not there.
The
Risk reward just
RRs. Yeah, it's all about the RR.
it's just terrible, right? Like if you're someone looking for 5 point scalps in and out, maybe this is this can work for you, but that's it's not my style.
No, I think I already said, just for anyone listening, I'm playing with profits. Otherwise, I don't know if I would have taken this.
This is tricky.
Very tricky, yeah. This is where we need to see some speed and momentum come in.
I need NQ to pull back to 220 or 225, 226, or just hold this resistance as support. If it keeps doing nothing here, I don't think I'm gonna trade.
No, I mean, like I said, I'm up very little because the candle that took me out earlier. Outside of that, I've done nothing. So, I don't think I have any intention of doing anything either. It's just what we're gonna do all day. Now arbitrage is starting to look like a maybe a little. I want to see it. I mean,
Okay.
down below 80 would be nice. Down below at 480.
Momentum's dying a bit. Come on.
Alrighty. I think I'm out of here.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it soon too. I got meetings in about 15 minutes anyway that I gotta get to, and this is not doing it for me.
Yeah. It's like it's a tough read. I'm good on a couple firms, but lost those couple accounts earlier, and I'm not gonna push nothing here.
No need to press today, right?
Yep.
Tomorrow, there will be better days this week for sure.
Oh yeah.
I mean, God, if this is as good as it gets this week, it could be a long ass week. Let's hope that's not the case. So it'll get better. So no need to press today. No need to push anybody.
Alrighty. I'll
Talk
see
to
you
you
guys.
tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Later, LT.
I'll
See ya,
be
bro.
here. I'm
See ya.
still looking for at least one trade.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I mean, I'm gonna hang out
I
for
think we can
another.
have that
Like I
pullback on
said, well,
NQ. Just win.
I think we can too. I just right, exactly right. Like at this point, I got meetings in 6 minutes, and I just don't think I'm here for that. Right. If I come back later today and it's happened, great. But I can't imagine the time where I actually am watching that pullback. It's just too slow right now.
Yeah.
Might be look at. I'm gonna probably look at Lucid tonight. Maybe at a couple of those. Prefer to trade on Project X if I can. So it's nice that it's an option. I'll look at some of that tonight. I don't have many evals left. I got just the other ones are unfunded, so I wanna get some evals in my back pocket so I can turn those into fundeds while there are some deals going on.
I need at least one trade for the challenge. I don't need it. I just think we can have the pullback that I want, and I want to play a bounce there.
What? A 15-minute on ES is a nice little pullback.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Jackie amped as the order flow man. Like I'm assuming he's gonna have some stuff probably in the education section about order flow too at some point.
I need more coffee. I'll be back.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta be kidding me. It's gonna take me out for my runner.
This is tough, dude.
Look at that, eh? Like, I mean,
Come on.
that candle has no place on this chart. Like, just fuck off. It's just
Yeah. That's I'm telling you, that's that 10:30 candle, same thing. No place on the chart. That one took me out. Like what the hell, dude? Like these
I
candles are
made.
averaging.
I think I made $3.
Hey, I mean, that's like maybe a few sips of a coffee at this point.
These days.
You can't get a whole one, that's for sure. That ain't happening.
At least
Yeah,
not a
it's
good
true.
one.
Yeah,
Maybe some
yeah. I mean,
Folgers.
go to
Some
McDonald's and get
Folgers.
something for sure. Yeah, full of just instant coffee. It sounds
Yeah.
delightful. God. Okay.
Well,
Okay,
I mean,
got it.
that to me, that's a bullish sign, I think. Although, given today's market, I don't know what's a sign anymore.
Yeah, that's I would look at that the same way. I look at now that 15-minute candle on ES that looked bad is now starting to flip and look decent, right? For a decent hold. So I may lean a little more bullish after that candle, but I'm not sold either way, right? Like this isn't like, okay, I'm thinking longs. I'm like, no, maybe it's a little more bullish than it was 10 seconds ago, but
Yeah, like before this candle, my lean was hit 220-ish, then kind of bounce and do something for the rest of the day, and then there's a push into the last hour because everyone realizes that the rally is real and they want to be long into tomorrow.
mhm.
But I don't know. I mean, we'll see. I mean, we definitely need a bit of consolidation to keep on going up.
This is where it gets tough for me, right? Because like I really want to get into something I want to trade, and I think this is most traders in general. Like you've been sitting for so long and you've been so patient, and then there's a point in time where the patience kind of really gets thin, and you're like, well, this looks good enough, right? Well, good enough isn't the setup, right? Good enough is not what you
That
want.
that's been, yeah, the gateway to my blowing up far too many things is that right there.
Mm-hmm.
Because it always, for me, it's like, well, then it doesn't work out. You lose a little bit. You're like, you know what? It's fine. I'm down something negligible. I can make that back. And then that's where it just starts. And
Spiral. Yeah, it's the worst.
I was
We are
just,
our own worst enemy.
I mean, I was thinking about what ADR does in my own trading, and it's like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you can just get one great trade each of those days and then just not take the losers that happen on Mondays and Fridays, you're, again, hypothetically, there'd be nothing wrong with that at all. You'd be fine. You don't
You,
need the extra trades.
Yes.
you fully agree. You don't need it. You don't need it. Right. And the good thing too is, right, here's the thing about Monday and Friday, right? You have one bad trade Monday that can mess up your whole week. You have one bad trade Friday that can mess up your weekend. Those 2 days are the days you don't want to take the bad trade because they set up for more disappointment in either direction, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I see a lot of validity in taking just trades Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday if you get your setup and you want to. If you can mentally come into Mondays and Fridays and be super patient, right, and just wait for A pluses, then I think that's the best outcome, right? But that's hard. That's hard for anybody. People been doing this for a long time. It's hard for them, right? So that's not an easy thing.
Yep.
Yeah, having a bad Friday is so it's horrible. That's why I stopped trading
It's
Fridays.
the worst.
Yeah.
It does. It messes with your head for the entire weekend, right? Or can, depending on how it was, right? And I hate that. I
I
want to
used
go
to
into the weekend
blow up
feeling
accounts
good.
Fridays all the time.
Anybody watch the show Wednesday? I watched the season finale last night,
No,
finally.
is it
It's pretty
good?
good.
I watched the first season.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, yeah, it's good. I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's fairly
Mhm.
light, but it's good. It's enjoyable.
Okay, so I guess I'm gonna start watching it because I have nothing to watch now.
Yeah, yeah. My wife and I go through that too sometimes. We go
Mhm.
through like lulls of like, what are we gonna watch? And like, I have some ideas of what I want to watch, and she's not interested at all. So, which, you know, different taste. So we try to find something that works for both of us.
If you guys haven't watched Dexter, I'd
No.
recommend
I have
that one
not.
for sure.
I have not watched Dexter. I've heard great things about it. Anybody watching Peacemaker?
No.
I never heard of it.
Oh my
I
God, John Cena, it's hysterical, dude. It's so good.
Is it funny? Yeah.
I think it's on Hulu
Mhm.
or HBO. It's on HBO. What? Oh, it's funny. Yeah,
Mm.
it's like an off the cuff like superhero, but
Mm.
like down in the dumps superhero kind of thing.
Mhm.
It's quite funny. It just started season 2 just this past week. Yeah, Jackie, we just finished the final episode last night. My wife and I. It was good. It was nice. There is a season 3 coming, FYI. They mentioned that at the end. No spoilers, but there is a season 3 coming.
Mhm.
I heard
Sports.
good things about the studio. I haven't watched it yet though.
Studio.
Studio. That's
I
the
never even heard of it
Coppola.
until this morning when they said they won like 13 awards or something last night.
The studio.
What? I
Oh.
The
mean,
studio.
Seth Rogen is
Yeah, they
funny,
won like
so
13 awards at the Emmys last night.
I'm gonna add it to my list right now. Damn.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Me
Yeah.
too.
Absolutely gonna add it to my list if it did that well. But see what's gonna happen. It did great. I'm gonna watch it like this is trash.
Yeah.
This is usually how
Uh-huh.
that goes for me, right? Like
It's like the movie
what I
from the
enjoy doesn't
Oscars.
really line up.
The movie from the Oscars, I never liked them.
Yeah. All right, so the studio and adding that now. Look at my list of shows.
If anybody hasn't watched Blacklist, I kind of like
Heard great
that.
things.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it's
watched the
very. I mean,
first
it's
few
a.
seasons. Kind of like a short here on NQ, but I don't know.
They have the jackal.
I see the short. I already tried it. I don't know if I want to go
Mm,
through that again, but
yeah.
it'll probably
Yeah,
work
yeah,
for
yeah. You're
somebody.
like, oh, Day of the Jackal. Isn't this a spin-off from a movie from like forever ago?
I don't know.
I'll have to look that up. I'll have to look that up. I think there was a movie like The Jackal that came out like when I was a kid. That was really good. Who was in it? Bruce Willis, maybe? Who was in it? Yeah, okay, yes. Okay, good. All right. So I gotta figure out what it is, Jackie. Who was in it? The Jackal in '97. Yeah. What is Bruce Willis, Richard Gere. Yeah, that movie was fantastic. I haven't seen that. It's old, I know, but very good. Jack Black was in that too. I liked it a lot.
Looks like the short is gonna play out.
Are you in right now,
No, no,
ADR?
no.
No, okay. Yeah.
I'm scared to short this market today, at least.
Yeah.
I'm still waiting for my pullback long on NQ.
That short finally setting up. I mean, we're gonna get some actual movement down below these 470s.
Nvidia waking up.
I truly have to go to this meeting that I don't want to be a part of, but I do have to do this. All right. On that note, I don't have to watch this anymore. Anybody that's trading this, good luck.
Thank you.
Hopefully you do well.
Talk to
I will
you
be
mañana.
back at it tomorrow. Hey, also,
See ya,
if
bro.
anybody has anything they want, I posted some stuff about in the new sections, right? For kind of the prop education and some FAQ stuff. Anybody has questions, things they want me to address or create some knowledge on, let us know. All right.
Awesome.
So,
Thank you for everything.
okay. With that note,
Yeah.
later, everybody.
Later.
See ya.
See ya, man.
Okay, let's see. 614 on ES and 230, 220 on NQ. Anyone call that
Keep
reaction?
looking at
The
that.
short?
I was just about to say I took 5 micros. I don't
Mhm.
want to take a big loss, but I want to fill that little volume node there. Maybe take it down to 400. Are you on the old contracts?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So then it would be, I think, the 180s.
180s?
No, sorry. Yeah, 180s.
So kind of more opening range today? No, that's not the opening range. That's what's the name for it? The price when we open? I forgot. Man, this is so slow.
See, now the
That's
5
weird.
minute is looking bullish. So I'm not touching anything now. My read is completely off.
It's just too choppy. I don't think anyone can really read this.
This sucks.
Yeah.
I'm just using that first hour candle on NQ, like the 9 o'clock candle, as a pivot.
Okay. Yeah.
It's rejected what, once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times.
Mm-hmm.
If you look at it on the 15. If we get above it, it's gonna go. If we
Yes,
stay
definitely.
below it, we're gonna just. We tried getting above it and rejected. Now we're going for it again. Might be it.
Look at that bounce. Mm. Even though we keep reacting, the market just don't wanna really go lower. Every pullback gets bought right in, right away.
Nvidia just woke up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Apple strong-ish. Meta, like Amazon. I mean, there's sectors that are
Yeah.
helping
Apple
NQ
holding
go
pretty
up.
good also.
Yeah. The top of this 1 hour candle just keeps getting rejected though. I don't know.
That's an ugly reaction candle
Yeah,
on ES.
yeah, it was weaker.
Yeah, it's just gross now. I noticed it the last week or two, the better moves come in like at 350, right when MOC comes, and then you get a wild close.
Oh yeah, of course. It's no pressure after that.
But the worst is taking a loss right at 355 or something. You're like, shit, I can't
Yes.
make it back now.
Yeah. Yeah, but the market's been so difficult to trade that for me, the morning stress is more than enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
London session just closed.
Well, I would have been nicely green if I wouldn't have got wicked out by that MNQ candle.
Yeah, that was a crazy candle.
At what time?
I think it was 10:30 or something like that.
10:30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
SPY is right at the VWAP.
Well, NQ is not. NQ is just grinding higher.
Did you roll over yet, Case? Or are you
No,
still on the older contracts?
older ones.
Yeah, me too.
I'm on Lucid. I'm on Lucid right now, and they haven't rolled over. I mean, those are supposed to roll over themselves. They're still on NQU.
How are your 20 Apex accounts? Gone?
Slow.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
no. I'm going slow with those.
Yeah, you
I've
don't need
had
to
some
hurry.
not great. I've had some not great experiences with Apex, so
You had a bad
it's
experience
kind of
with
hard for me
Apex?
to, because I have Lucid, Top Steps. I'm like
With Apex or
Tradeify.
with Trade of 8?
What's that?
With
You said you
Apex?
didn't have a great experience so far with Apex, or you mean
Yeah,
Trade
with
of 8, or?
Apex.
Oh,
I
okay.
just hate trading on TradingView. I just cannot for some reason. Like I love the Project X platforms,
Oh, okay, so with Trade of 8.
but I just
Yeah, that's my favorite, yeah.
yeah, but like trading on TradingView for some reason it just gets me, man. I don't know why. So I
Wait,
have
you
to just take
copy
it easy
trade
with those
on
accounts.
TradingView?
I'm trading the Apex accounts on TradingView.
Have you tried just using normal Trade of 8 by itself, naked chart?
Yeah, Windows XP. You mean?
No, like
No,
Trade of
I
8
mean
has its own platform, right?
Trade looks like Windows XP.
Oh, yeah. Okay, good now.
I have. I have to set it up differently, I guess, in order for me to.
A lot of guys just keep up Project X chart and then have Trade of 8 DOM on the side and just execute from there.
That's actually a good idea.
Well, I do that.
That's a
Like
great
I
idea,
have, but
actually.
I have it with TradingView chart and Trade of 8 only to click buy and sell.
Okay. I'm gonna have to
One of
try
my
that then.
complaints about Trade of 8 is the commissions and fees. So if you're scalping MNQ, good luck.
Yeah,
Really?
macros.
Yeah, it adds up so fast, especially if you're doing 5 to 10 micros here and there.
Yeah.
When I do micros, I do like 15 or 20. Yes, and I can see a huge difference on the fees.
I didn't know that. So now I gotta check that. Shit. Oh, we're gonna be stuck in this range for a little while.
Can NQ just give me a pullback?
At least to VWAP, right? At least Q's to VWAP.
Yeah, That's what I'm looking. I'm looking for a
I feel like
QQQ
it's coming.
VWAP pullback.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at what Brainchild posted on the options chat.
Let's see.
Sideways action leading into FOMC
Mm,
last time.
yeah.
And then we have VIX expirations on Wednesday. And then quad witching on Friday.
Okay, so a really good week to trade.
to try to just not do much.
So Friday might be shit to trade then. Maybe
Yeah.
sideways.
It's choppy because of the expirations. There are times when actually it just grinds to either side. I think the last OPEX we just went up.
I don't think I was here.
No.
Another SPY VWAP bounce.
Here comes that 1 hour top of NQ again. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th try right here. Probably gonna push above it, pop again. Make another high.
Are we gonna get another reaction here?
No. NQ doesn't want to reject. NQ's gonna make another high probably. Or
If we get another slow ass reaction, I'm out.
there goes. Another high.
Yeah. Doesn't look too strong so far.
No. Just a grindy day. That's it.
Okay. Can we hold here? AMD break and retest. Yeah, that was a beautiful hold in the morning. Yes. Eek. Look at that candlestick.
Order filled.
Okay, who's that? You can't lie
That was
now.
me. Short. I took a short. I'm gonna use the 15 to 270 as my pivot to get out. Actually, you know what? I'm a little too early. We're not under that 15-minute that 1 hour candle yet. Might get out, break even.
I like it. You have
Yeah.
30 seconds to close a 5-minute candle. Nice reaction. I like it.
It might be a good, yeah. See, like now we're rejecting again under that 1 hour candle. I saw that we were rejecting under the 11 o'clock candle. Yeah, damn it, I got out too early. Probably should. Oh well.
I like this reaction. But I don't
Yeah.
know, this market is too choppy.
Yeah, this here, if it rejects here, then it's just gonna go see lower prices. If it accepts, then forget it. Grind higher. Yeah. Yeah. Man.
Yeah, definitely ugly price action.
Yeah.
I like that reaction now.
What time frame are you looking at it?
5.
On
I look at 5 and 30.
5. Yeah.
It could definitely bounce to 270 and then reject there. We'll see.
Yeah, I see that. That 11 o'clock candle?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a good entry point.
The problem that I have is like you have Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, kind of bullish.
That was a good entry point right there. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Here goes again.
I don't know. I don't like it.
Yeah. Never mind.
Like, I feel like today is better than just buy the dip instead of trying to short.
Yeah.
But it is a very like valid resistance. It's just the market today. It just keeps going higher.
Yeah.
Nvidia
Yeah,
very
look at that.
strong now. For the upside, if this 5 minute candle closes like this, I want the next one to pull back to 269, 270 for an entry. But first, I want to see this one closing very strong.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Yeah, I like that breakout. Okay, I'm looking here for a little pullback.
All right, guys. Good luck for the rest of the day. I
Thank
gotta head
you.
back to work now.
Okay.
All right. See you guys.
Peace.
Okay, I'm gonna try it here along. If we go lower, I'm gonna add more. I wanna see 269,
Nice.
270 hold. Yeah, I want to see some consolidation here at support. Okay, nice move now. I definitely like this 30-minute candle. It's pretty bullish. I kind of want to see a pullback here so I can get one more contract. Okay, nice. Okay. We're looking pretty good so far.
It's a nice move.
Yep. I wanted to see a pullback so I can add more, but can't complain after the choppy mess that we have all morning.
Yeah.
So you're doing Fridays with Desi?
Say again?
You're doing Fridays with Desi? You guys trading Fridays together?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, yeah, except for Fridays tend to be kind of shitty. So,
Yeah.
uh,
Yes. That's why I don't trade Fridays.
I know. I just watch, honestly. I've been kind of like backing off on Fridays as well because it's just not, especially this coming Friday, forget about it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this week it's not gonna be easy.
Mm-mm. Not at all. How's Wednesdays been with you?
Not easy also, but last Wednesday was pretty good, but Wednesday most of the time I'm pretty choppy. I don't know why.
Yeah. Uh, You got FOMC this week too, so
Uh-huh. Yeah.
hopefully nobody yells at you.
Yeah, FOMC mornings are horrible.
VIX is moving up with this move up on the market. Usually something you see.
Okay. Okay. If we go to 270, I'm gonna add one more. 270, 269.
Be careful here though. Let's see what you're seeing. That 5 minute top on that candle.
And look at the 30.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that too. Yeah. Nice little area for a hold.
And the 30-minute looks like a break and retest.
Yeah.
Okay, nice hold so far. Come on, just give me a strong bounce. Give me something. Okay. I don't love ES, what ES is doing.
Yeah, I don't like it either. And ES is lagging, slowing down a lot, but still strong.
I still like the NQ hold. I like the 30-minute time frame, how it's looking.
Yeah.
So far, technically, I have no reason to get out of this trade.
Did you add at 270?
Yeah, a little bit
I
lower.
mean, nice.
Okay, nice bounce. Definitely like it. That's exactly
Yeah.
what I want to see. Yep. Gonna sell one. Yeah, definitely like it. Now, I don't know if I want to be all out here just because how the market has been moving today. I feel like I'm wasting my time. It's sitting here watching this for like 3 hours, but still looks pretty bullish.
Yeah, I agree with you. Nothing on the chart is saying we're going down right now.
Mm.
At least not at this particular moment.
And I'm having a very nice day with Palantir and Snap also.
It's a nice little pullback to that area that you wanted.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think NQ Barcelona keeps holding 270, 260. I think it's pretty bullish.
Yeah. I can see that. 270 is the top of the 50-minute orb.
Is today's high all-time high on ES? Yes, right? I know on NQ
Yeah.
it is. Okay.
It is too. It is as well.
Okay.
We're in price discovery mode.
Come on, NQ. Go. Go to 300. Go, go. Give me a new all-time high.
There you
Nice.
go. There it is.
Are we going to react here? Nvidia looks like it's waking up. Kind of looks like a bull flag. I think ES wants to go to all-time high again. The 30-minute time frame on NQ still looks very bullish. I'm out. I like this. Beautiful day. Very happy with my patience. Oh,
Go hit the beach.
yeah. 8,100 for today. With futures. With one trade. Not bad. Can't complain. And
That's
these are
beautiful.
the accounts from the challenge. So one and done.
Nice.
Yep.
Congrats.
I'm done for today. I still think we look pretty bullish here. But I don't want to keep watching these, to be honest. I want to be out of here. I'm hungry. But like I said before, as long as NQ keeps holding to 60 to 70, I think we're pretty bullish. Watch out for the ES morning high, 2 days high. I'm sorry, 2 days high. That's all-time high. Pretty important level for today. Palantir VWAP hold is very bullish. Snapchat, our Snapchat play is looking great also. It's looking pretty good. But yeah, I'm done for today. I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Bye.